In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily convert Facebook profile to page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, then go to your profile. After that, tap at these three dots, and then tap at Turn on Professional Mode. Then turn on, continue. Will be taken to a professional dashboard, and that means that we have just successfully converted our Facebook profile to page. Then we can go to our profile. As you can see, all my friends has been converted into followers, and basically that's how you can easily change your Facebook profile to page.